748 Rubicon Road, a one-story Blanco plan, and the largest of the homes I'm walking today. Four bedrooms, two baths, just over 2,000 square feet, all on one level. The primary site's at the back of the house, separated from everything else. This is a different house from the 728 Blanco I posted earlier. Same street, same plan. Text me for today's list, 214-449-9978. Bryan Farmer, DR Horton.